Hello everyone, it's Frank again with a new ATV video. Hey everybody, this is Editing Frank. I just want to apologize for the really bad audio in this video. I think it's time for a new mic. In today's video, we are talking about the ATV we call the Arctic Cat, which all of you apparently call the Tracker. So, I don't know what to call it anymore. You might notice some differences from the last time you saw this ATV. There's new switches, there's new lights, there's light whips, there's all kinds of stuff. However, that's for other videos. Today we are switching out the headlight bulbs. Now, I wasn't planning to switch out the headlight bulbs on this since we just put the light bar, and the light bar is pretty damn bright. But when a company tells you they'll send you their product for free for you to test it, why not? As you saw, the install was pretty straightforward, nothing complicated about it at all. And as you can see in these videos, the lights are very much brighter, and they have a nicer tone to them. Honestly, I would say they are as bright or brighter than the ones I put on my Can-Am, but these have a much more compact design, which I prefer. Since they sent me these to test them out, I did get a promo code and an affiliate link. So if you guys want to buy some of your own, I will put the promo code up and in the description, as well as the link for the light bulbs I got specifically. As always, if you enjoy this kind of video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.